Hello, welcome back to my channel. We are heading to a hot spring today. Woo! We actually drove about 5.5 hours today to where we have to be because we are working on a campground job. We start tomorrow and we just got here and we're gonna go try to find this hot spring. There's a lot of people here, but we'll see. I'm excited. You guys, this is slippery. We're not in good shoes.
Windshield beach right here. It's pretty.
It's this is dirt. It's like slippery sand.
Yeah, she's walking like the gully right here.
Oh, we found it. There's people here, but there's lots of pools. Oh, it looks awesome. I'd be down to come again in the morning. Our first view of the river, Kern River. Cool. So we checked out the pools. They're not that hot. They're kind of like just lukewarm. Some other people are in some of the other ones. But I decided I was gonna try to do a little cold plunge in the Kern River. So let's see how that goes. California has been in a heat wave past week or so. So it's hot. It's hot. It's cooling off, but I'm still hot. Nice little beachy area. Let's go over here. All right. Oh, cold. Okay, that's good enough for me today. I'm sure we have. Good afternoon, guys. Let me turn this fan off. Good afternoon. So we've been at our new campground that we're working at for a few hours now. The bosses came and met us, told us some information. The previous camp host is still here and Colt is shadowing him right now. We took the golf cart around, picked up trash, and yeah, the next couple days we're gonna be shadowing the other camp host, getting to learn everything, and then we'll be taking over. There's a fishing derby happening this weekend, so it's gonna be pretty busy this weekend. Not much happening right now. Thought I would show you guys a part of my daily routine that's new. I've been taking this Spoiled Child collagen. Right now I'm gonna just mix it with this pressed juice multivitamin gut health shot. I like doing the collagen with like a juice or something. And I got this collagen because my mom tried it and said I could try some of her bottle, and it really helped with my nail growth. Like, my nails were actually long and strong. Now they're short because I stopped taking it, and so I decided to get my own. It's supposed to help with nail growth, skin, hair, stuff like that, and it's good for you. It's has vitamins too, so it's collagen and vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. I've just been doing 1 tablespoon. So you just do a little shot. I mix it with my juice. You can either take it as a shot or mix it with whatever you want. This one's mango flavored. They also have a pineapple flavored one. I haven't tried that one yet. It's really windy right now, that's why I'm inside. Cheers. But yeah, it's pretty here. There's a town about 8 minutes away, which is nice because they have a grocery outlet, which pretty much has everything we need. So we won't have to drive like an hour to get groceries this time around, so that's nice. The cost of gas in California right now is between $5 and $6, so I'm not gonna be spending the unnecessary money to go an hour when I can go 8 minutes and hopefully get everything I need. So that's exciting. We're running 2 campgrounds. There's 55 sites at this campground, and then Colt's at the other campground right now. Not sure how many sites are there and whatnot, but there's tons of day use. So should be pretty busy on the weekends and holidays. We're not in our permanent spot right now, but I'll show you guys our more permanent spot when we move over there. No way, you think it works?
Probably. It
Finish
needs to be
washing
cleaned in there.
station.
There's like
We
spider
got a
webs and
booth.
cobwebs and shit.
Colt says there's an AC.
It does. That smell is this
Yeah.
fish clean.
I don't even smell it that bad now though. I thought it might be the bathroom.
Man, I see so much trash.
Oh yeah, I know. No, I mean it's a good spot for campers. You're kind of closer to the lake. Yeah, we need the power.
Okay, folks, now we have a tie. Samantha the Trippy Traveler, well, we did have a tie.
She's going on herself.
Strange State Diary, though, is in the lead. Come on, Samantha the Trippy Traveler. Oh, and your dad's here, Trippy Traveler. Your dad has arrived. Trippy Dad. The Trippy Dad's here. Oh, did you bring one for me?
We gotta get some on the way home.
Woo! I think the problem is you're too tall for this with your heels.
Better than Cole.
At least the same score. All your points, almost all our points.
She's winning again. Strange State Diary won. we're off. Sammy's driving us in the mule. I call it a golf cart, but they're saying it's actually a mule. Here we go. Woohoo! Okay, now let me flip my camera. Oh, I can't flip. I'll start another one. Me and my baby. Hi.
They came to visit for Memorial Day
Happy
weekend.
to see where Sam works. We're having fun.
We're gonna go swimming.
Enjoying the sun. Fun in the sun.
Colt and my dad are gonna go fishing, and we just went to this arts and crafts festival, and I got a couple of rings, so that's been fun. Your camera's way better. Look at these waves.
There's your dad out on the pier. Oh, can it hear sound though?
What?
Probably not because it's in the case.
Oh, I don't know.
Maybe.
It's just wavy anyway. Chop, chop, chop.
Hey, there's more. Here.
The sound is confusing. Okay. It's kind of an emergency.
I can literally smoke it.
We're getting a rental car, so we took the van to the shop and we're walking back to it right now.